Meaning of inclusiveness.
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 Inclusiveness. Inclusiveness is the quality of including individuals or groups from diverse backgrounds and experiences, without any bias or discrimination. It means creating an environment where everyone feels welcomed, valued, and respected, regardless of their age, gender, race, ethnicity, religion, sexual orientation, or physical ability. Having an inclusive society or workplace fosters diversity, equity, and social justice, which leads to better collaboration, innovation, and creativity. Inclusiveness enables people to participate actively in decision-making and to contribute their unique perspectives and talents towards achieving common goals. Ultimately, it promotes mutual understanding and a sense of belonging for all.